In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "We're sorry we've run into an issue" error in Microsoft Teams. This error is usually caused by corrupted local data, so we'll start with the most effective fix: clearing the Teams cache. First, make sure Teams is completely closed. Look in the taskbar or system tray, right-click the Teams icon, and choose Quit. If you still see it running, end the task so nothing is left in the background. Next, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type %appdata %Microsoft Teams and select OK. A folder will open. Delete everything inside it, files and subfolders, but don't worry, this only removes temporary data. When you're done, open Teams again and sign back in. In many cases, the error disappears right here, because you've forced the app to rebuild a clean set of working files. If the cache clear doesn't do the trick, the next thing to try is clearing your saved credentials. Open the Start menu and search for Credential Manager. Choose the Windows Credentials tab, then scroll through and remove any entries related to Microsoft Teams. This clears stale sign-in tokens that can conflict with the app. Once you've removed them, launch Teams again and sign in fresh. Still seeing the error? Windows includes built-in repair options for apps. Open the Start menu, search for Microsoft Teams, right-click it, and select App Settings. In that window, scroll down and click Repair. This attempts to fix the app without touching your data. If the problem persists, return to the same place and choose Reset, which restores Teams to its default state. You'll need to sign in again afterward. As a last resort, you can uninstall and reinstall. Go to Settings, then Apps and Features. Find and uninstall both Microsoft Teams and the Teams machine-wide installer. After that, download the latest version of Microsoft Teams from the official website and install it clean. This replaces any damaged components and ensures you're on a current build. A few extra checks can save time. Make sure Teams is updated once it opens, as updates often contain fixes for sign-in and startup issues. Also check Windows Update to keep your system components current. And if you need to get working immediately, try the Teams web app in your browser to confirm your account is fine while you troubleshoot the desktop app. Follow these steps in order, and you'll resolve the error in most situations.